welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you guys the things that I will first do every time I visit back in China. First thing first is the food that I must eat every time I'm back. Yes, it's a little bit rare, it's chicken feet. There's some magical about this chicken feet that I just obsessed with so much, so I have to eat it every time that I am back. I don't eat chicken feet that often or even other chicken feet back in US. So there must be something magical about this one, this specific one. So yeah, maybe there must be some specific food that you really enjoy the most back in your hometown. So don't judge me on that. Yeah. My favorite chicken feet. I know it's so weird, but yeah, I love it. I just had dinner and I'm ready for a full body massage and also washing my hair, because you will see how pleasant it is to get your hair washed in a really great experience with really affordable price. So yeah, and also I will show you guys the things that I bought. I will show that in my Taobao haul. I already received a lot of package. It was like about 80 package. Yes, it's a lot. If you're interested to see what I bought for Double 11, which is like the Thanksgiving in China, feel free to subscribe to my channel and wait for that video. It will be out really soon. And also I want to get my nail done. So yeah, it's pretty plain right now. Hopefully I will add some color neither like tonight. Maybe I don't have enough time tonight or tomorrow night. Now let's go for a massage and washing my hair. Let's go!
Vui là cổ mà. Hoa mẹ tôi có đại hong hậu liệu. 烫吗？还行，可以是吧？可以。
I'm done washing my hair and also a head, shoulder, neck massage. It was pretty good, but I'm still looking forward for a full body massage and also for my nails. The second thing that I must do is getting my nails done.
It's RSM. First thing that I will do every time I'm back in China, I have ate my chicken feet. No, I have ate my favorite chicken feet and also my towel unboxing. As you can see, I changed my outfit because I am trying out one of the dresses that I bought in this Taobao haul. However, the Taobao unboxing will be in Mandarin Chinese, but as all my other video, I will have both English and Chinese sub in the bottoms. And also I have like washed my hair, head massage, and last but not least is the manicure. It's so pretty, look at this. And the lady was so nice, she was so patient. So every step is like really detailed. Oh my god, I just love my manicure so much. So that's like the top 5 things that I would usually do every time I'm back in China. So if not for the unboxing, then it would be like shopping. So yeah, that's it for this video. And next video will be the Taobao unboxing. Check that out because I bought like 80 plus package, and yeah, my cousins was like able to like unbox it with me. So it was pretty fun. It was so tiring after we unboxed. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!